this video, we're going to take a look at our RF Mini. The RF Mini is available in two sizes. This is our regular size RF Mini. We also have an RF Mini S, which has a smaller knob. Depending on the person's hand size, grip, feel, it would depend on which one they would want to go with. When designing the RF Mini, we based it on feedback we got from the RF360. And a lot of the feedback said that people wanted something that felt like the more familiar feel of the regular spinner knob. So that's where this design came from. It's got that regular spinner knob feel, and there's buttons right where your fingers would fall. With the RF Mini, there are no buttons on the knob itself. So during driving, you can hold onto that spinner knob and steer without worrying about hitting any of these buttons by accident or by mistake. There's a base built around the knob that has the 6 buttons built into. So again, during driving, if you need to access any of the secondaries, simply reach with your fingers or your thumb to access all the buttons that are built on the base around the spinner knob itself. As with all our secondaries, the RF Mini fits right into our clamshell spinner knob base. Sits right in there for steering. And you can see here your fingers fall right where the buttons are during driving. As you can see on the steering wheel itself, and when you hold it, it's got that similar or that familiar spinner knob feel. And that's what this was designed to feel like and to be. You can hold it and steer with it, and then the buttons are right where you need them. Thank you for watching the video today on our Switch product. There are a variety of different options, so please feel free to watch all the videos in this series. You can also reach out to us here at SureGrip or one of our local dealers for more information.